Welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. February the 6th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Oh my goodness. Dollar index. Just everything. Dollar yen exploding. Sterling dollar exploding. So much of my selling the news on cable. Ay, ay, ay. Dead wrong on that one. But I got to tell you, we got lots of in store for you today. Lots of stuff going on. Cross action. Dollar Swiss up. Huge breaking out on the day. Take a look at that one. Euro Canada continues to work to the downside beautifully. Aussie dollar, very strong today. Made a nice comeback. Pound Aussie reversed. Check out pound Swiss. The pound just across the board exploding. The Jimmy Rogers rally, I think it ends Tuesday on a massive turnaround Tuesday. I think the stock market rally today, again, they did this last month on non-farm payroll number. I think tomorrow the stock market is probably going to be higher. I think dollar yen explodes if the stock market rallies. Dollar yen, we're going to take a look, is broken out. But let's start with the dollar index again. German factory order is just an abomination. The euro, the relative strength loser across the board. Euro yen got sucked into the dollar yen rally, exploding for 400 pips at one point. Beautiful pullback to buy, though. Anyway, again, the numbers last night were anything but good. London, again, better numbers. Halifax house price index, better than expected. But I'll tell you what, this pound, what a setup. All right, we'll get to the charts. Let's get to the charts. So, take a look at this dollar index again. Looking very good here. Big channel line resistance. We bust out. We take out this whole channel line here, what, 86.80, 86.70. We close above 87. This dollar index could go to 88, 88.50, our original, if you remember back in the day. Don't fight this sterling. Buy it on pullbacks. Tried to fight it today. It wasn't fun. I mean, we did okay with sterling, actually. Bought it at 144, sold it 145 and change. Shorted at 146, almost got stopped out 147, lost a couple of pips. Wrote it down, though. Oof, painful. Made back some, though. Euro dollar daily chart looks terrible. It just looks terrible. Looks like, we're going to hit the bottom of this channel, measure the move. In this nice downtrend channel. To buy the euro just because cable's going up is not the right play. So I got this downtrend channel line. We probably reverse it at 126.50. Euro dollar looks terrible. Just short. Dollar yen. And again, I go into more detail about dollar yen on globalfxradio.com. I encourage you to visit that website. Getting redone. We're going to have a new one soon. Can't wait for that. But again, looking at this dollar yen, one of the things I really tried to bring to people's attention, this is the first time, second time, dollar yen has been above, closing above, the 30 exponential moving average in over 5 months. There is almost always continuation when you close above. The next day we might reverse. I think we probably grind higher for a turnaround Tuesday event. I mean, take a look at this channel line here. Dollar yen is broken out. It busted through massive resistance. It's going higher. Pullbacks are to be bought. We can pull back all the way down to the 10 exponential now. Was that like 90, 70? And it's a buy. Again, I think it's going to break out maybe to 95, my next channel line resistance area. Well, long term, forget it. In long term, 105. I mean, that would just be retarded. But when it comes to dollar yen, nothing surprises me. So that's our long term. Long term. But shorter term, we got this channel line here. A beautiful looking channel line it is. And it's setting itself up to actually even like take out these highs here. I know I got a ton of lines written all over the place, but I want to keep them, and so hopefully some of you can really see this. So this 95.50 spot is looking like if dollar yen really has a big burst the next couple of days. Look, we're broken out above the 30 exponential. We could have a massive rally the next couple of days. I could be totally wrong, but I don't think you get a 300 pip rally in dollar yen on big volume, which apparently there was. A close like this, and it's just a one-day wonder. I don't think so. I think it's too significant. We broke through this whole downtrend channel line here today. Dollar yen to the moon, Alice. And I think if even on a bad number, if dollar yen doesn't go down, let's say it's a really bad number, dollar yen is at 90.50, and you're saying it's not going down, just like today, I'm like, it's not going down. It should be going down. We shorted it at 89 or 90. We shorted it. It should have been going down. It didn't. It wasn't going down. My mistake, really. I should have reversed. When it doesn't make sense, one of my big rules is it doesn't make sense, go with what doesn't make sense. Follow the yellow brick road. But I stunk it up today. Next week, big week next week. Next week is going to be a massive reversal in the pound. I feel a turnaround Tuesday coming. Geithner is going to be coming out with his economic release plan on Monday, his economic recovery plan. That's a sell in the news event too. Euro sterling breaking through major support here at 88. Rally should be sold. Doing our Fibonacci, we love to do our Fibonacci's from the low in October to the high, the end of the year. 85, baby. The golden retracement. We're at the 50% retracement right now. Euro sterling is going lower. Sell the rallies. Whatever happens tomorrow, before non-farm payroll, let's say we get a situation where the pound is up and it doesn't make sense, or euro sterling is down big or up big, go with it. You're going to get a retracement after the news probably. Like let's say euro sterling is down 80, 90 pips. You're going to get a 50 pip bounce. Sell it. Don't think things are going to reverse. It's not happening. Whatever trend is set, if there's a big trend set tomorrow, you want to go with that trend on a retracement, whatever direction the retracement is with the trend. Look at this euro yen. Listen, nice failure, agreed, but still closing decent. Broke through this major channel line. Oh, damn it. It broke through resistance, major resistance, so it should be bought. BOP. Buy on pullback. Unless we take out today's lows and close below it. Talk about catching up to do. And again, major channel line. Oh, damn it, I did it again. Major channel line. At the 120 level. Should 120 give way? To the moon. Alice. And listen, it could just be dollar yen pushing it higher. But I think what will probably happen, if the carry trade does reverse, it's going to be more where you get euro dollar 126.50, dollar yen may be up at 92. I don't know, euro yen, maybe it's unchanged or down a little bit. And then all of a sudden, dollar yen explodes. And then all of a sudden, the euro bottoms out, dollar. And then they both go up in the beautiful concert that we all know and love on the way up and down. Believe me, take a look at today. Sterling dollar and dollar yen both going up at the same time. Wow. So again, sterling yen, I want to get to this one too. The daily chart has a lot of information on it. Lots. So again, when you see that pound, wait, I don't even know if I did the pound. I think I gotta go back to the pound. All right, so when we look at this sterling yen, another thing that I wanted to show you. Sterling yen. This Swiss yen. Damn it, I don't have much time now. Move it. Giddy up, baby. Euro dollar pushing a little higher. I think euro dollars are short at 128.60, 128.55 in that zone. When we look at this sterling yen, you have to be bullish on this chart. This is the second close, beginning of the year. Second close since August. That sterling yen is closing above the 10 exponential moving average, 30 exponential moving average. This is significant. We are coming up to a major channel line resistance, which we hit, right? The 135.50 level, major resistance we hit, backed off. I think we're going to burst through there. Take a look at Aussie yen. You take a look at Kiwi yen. They're all looking like they want to bang through here. Big bottom. I'm telling you, carry trade, this is a major breakout. And I think, again, who knows, sterling yen, you can get up to 150, 152. I don't think it's going to hit that. But the other channel line is a major breakout. Look at that breakout. So we punch through 135.50 and we go to 140. We go to 140, easy. Andrew Spanton, info@globalfxradio.com. Global FX Radio, the only voice you will ever need in Forex that makes you money. Net net.